Today we're going to be looking at a 2005 TXT gas conversion. This was a electric golf car at one point before all of the batteries were removed, and a transmission. So we're going to look at the end result of the product. First, as you can notice, it's been rebodied. Lift kit's been installed, as well as aftermarket rims and tires. You also notice there is a folding rear seat that will allow you to carry more passengers, or it folds open and lays flat to carry small cargo. This model's also been fitted with turn signals. You could turn the headlights on by flipping to the third position on a key switch. Your first position is off. Second is on. Third is on with lights. This model also features a fuel gauge so you know how full your gas tank is. Even though it's a 2005 frame, it has a new engine, meaning you will not need to use a choke lever, as with previous models. When looking under the seat, you will see that all of the components are new. Looking underneath, you'll see the rear axle connected with the engine, to the tire hubs, to the shocks. Everything is new. This model also features a basket that goes underneath of the seat to help increase storage. This basket is also removable. So even though this is a 2005 frame, this golf car essentially has new life breathed into it, given its new engine.